Swashbuckling billionaire Richard Branson hurled into space on his own winged rocket ship on Sunday, becoming the first person to blast off in his own spaceship, beating the richest person on the planet, Jeff Bezos, by 9 days. The 71-year-old Branson also became the second septuagenarian to go into space. Before him, there was astronaut John Glenn, who flew on the shuttle at age 77 in 1998. Branson and his 5 crewmates from Virgin Galactic Space Tourism Company reached an altitude of 86 km over the New Mexico desert, just enough to experience 3 to 4 minutes of weightlessness and witness the curvature of the Earth and glide to a runway landing. The brief up and down flight was a splashy and unabashedly commercial plug for his company Virgin Galactic, which plans to start taking paying customers on joy rides next year. Bezos sent his congratulations, adding can't wait to join the club, though he also took to Twitter a couple of days earlier to enumerate the ways in which he believes his company's rides will be better. With about 500 people watching, including Branson's family, the spaceship Unity was carried aloft underneath a twin fuselage aircraft. Then, at an altitude of about 13 kilometers, Unity detached from the mothership and fired its engine. As it pierced the edge of space, spectators cheered, jumped into the air and embraced as the rocket plane touched down on Earth. Branson pumped his fist as he stepped out onto the runway and ran towards his family, bear-hugging his wife and children and scooping up his 3 grandchildren in his arms. Virgin Galactic conducted 3 previous test flights into space with crews of just 2 or 3. Mike Moses, a top executive at Virgin Galactic, said that apart from some problems with the transmission of video images from inside the cabin, the flight was perfect and the ship looked pristine. The flamboyant London-born founder of Virgin Galactic Airways wasn't supposed to fly until later this summer, but he assigned himself to an earlier flight after Bezos announced plans to ride his own rocket into space from Texas on July 20th, the 52nd anniversary of the Apollo 11 moon landing. Branson denied he was trying to outdo Bezos. Branson's other chief rival in the space tourism race among the world's richest men, SpaceX's Elon Musk, came to New Mexico to watch and congratulate Branson for a beautiful flight. Branson insisted on a global live stream of the Sunday morning flight and invited celebrities and former space station astronauts to the company's Spaceport America base in New Mexico. R&B singer Khalid performed his new single New Normal, a nod to the dawning of space tourism, while CBS Late Show host Stephen Colbert served as master of ceremonies. Before climbing aboard, Branson said, "The name's Branson, Sir Richard Branson, astronaut 001 licensed to thrill." Virgin Galactic already has more than 600 reservations from would-be space tourists, with tickets initially costing $250,000 apiece. And upon his return to Earth, Branson announced a sweepstakes drawing for 2 seats on a Virgin Galactic jaunt. To read the complete story, click the link in the description box below.